The constant force spring calculator determines the output force, maximum stress, and estimated life cycles for constant force springs based on your design parameters. Let's start with the input fields. First, select your unit system. You can choose between Imperial, which uses inches, pounds force, and PSI, or metric, which uses millimeters, newtons, and megapascals. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial units. Next, choose your material from the drop-down menu. Options include carbon steel, stainless steel 301, stainless steel 316, brass, and bronze, each with their specific modulus of elasticity values. I'll select carbon steel with a modulus of 30 million psi. Now enter your spring dimensions. Width B in inches. I'll enter 10. Thickness T in inches, also 10. And natural radius Rn in inches, entering 10 as well. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. The output force is 113,636,363.636 pounds force. This is the constant force your spring will deliver throughout its working range. Maximum stress shows 15 million psi, which helps determine if the material can handle the application. Estimated life cycles indicates 1,000 cycles before potential failure. Find the link in the description below.